Want to create stunning videos in just minutes without any editing experience? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make professional quality videos using Pictory AI. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, this AI tool will save you time and take your content to the next level. Let's dive in. You can quickly turn a script into a video in just 5 minutes using this AI video generator. Simply visit the website via the link provided in the description. Click the link below to access the trial option and sign up. It's very easy. Choose your email to create an account, and if any questions are asked, answer them according to your preferences. Once you've signed up, you can start using the free trial. On the main page of the AI video generator, you'll see several options, but you only need to select the one that converts your script into a video. Paste your script here. It's straightforward. I've added a title from my video for reference. Now you'll see 2 sections. In the left section, you can manually highlight specific words. For example, I chose certain words as my highlight words. The highlighted words will appear in a different color in the subtitles and will be emphasized throughout the video. For better results, ensure the paragraphs are short and start each new sentence on a new line. Stay on this page until 3 options appear. The first option allows automatic highlighting, where the AI selects which words should be highlighted in the video subtitles. The second option enables the AI to choose different footage for your video automatically. I'm definitely turning this on because I want the AI to automatically create my video and arrange the scenes for me. The third option, which is crucial, allows you to select footage for different sections, such as choosing a video for each sentence or a clip for each paragraph. You can choose one or both options based on your preference. I'm selecting both. Finally, click this option to proceed to the last step, where you can edit and generate your video. On the left side of the menu, you'll find several options, which I'll explain. The script is broken down sentence by sentence since I wrote each one on a separate line before pasting it. On the right, the AI selects footage for each sentence. You can click on any scene to select and edit it. Review all scenes and footage, and make changes as needed. By clicking on the subtitle in any scene, you can edit it. After clicking on the subtitle, a toolbar will appear at the top of the video, allowing you to modify the font style, size, color, and other subtitle features. You can also edit or replace any text here. AI makes video creation incredibly easy, and I recommend trying its free trial to experience it yourself. If you want to combine 2 sentences so they're read together over the same footage, just click this option to link the 2 boxes. Using this AI video generator is simple and exciting. As you can see, the 2 sentences are now playing with 1 piece of footage. You can also undo any changes if needed. The next section in the menu is for visuals, where you can modify any scene. You have access to a vast library of videos to find footage that suits different preferences. If you want to change the footage of a scene, simply click on that slide. You'll see keywords related to the slide subtitle. Click on a keyword you like, and the related videos will appear. You can also type in specific words to search for the perfect footage, then choose the video you want from the gallery below. It's really that simple to create a video using this AI tool. Please like the video and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you. The next important feature is the audio section, which includes background music and voiceovers. You can filter the background music by different moods and genres, then preview it by clicking the play button on the left. Once you find something you like, click Apply to add it to your video. The voiceover section offers various filters like age, gender, and topic selection, and Pictory AI supports multiple languages, which is one of its standout features. There are 2 voiceover options. The first is 11-pound AI voiceovers, which are of high quality, and the second is Pictory AI voiceovers, which are also very good. This section also allows you to adjust the volume. Since no voiceover is selected, this option is currently muted. You can select a voiceover by listening to samples and clicking Apply on the one you prefer. At the end of this video, I will play a few of these voices for those interested in hearing examples. Now, the video has good footage, automatic subtitles, background music, and voiceovers, which is fantastic. By clicking on the preview option, you can watch the video and make edits if needed. For example, if the video is about traveling to New York City, it might start with, "Welcome to New York City, the city that never sleeps." The AI will select a few moments of footage to match this narrative, and you can always make changes to suit your preferences. Lastly, the style option lets you adjust the subtitle style. By clicking on this, you can customize how your subtitles appear in the video. For example, I selected this style, and as you can see, the subtitle style has now changed. If you want this style to be consistent across all scenes, simply click on this option to apply it to all. Another useful feature, especially for certain types of videos, is the ability to add a heading. For instance, you can choose a different font for the beginning of your video. To do this, follow what I'm doing. Just type the text you want in this section, and there you have it, an intro with a different font. This feature is part of Pictory AI's latest update, which includes fantasy elements to make videos more engaging. These elements can help enhance the appeal of your video, capturing your audience's attention. Every time you select an item on the screen, an edit bar will appear, allowing you to make specific adjustments to that element. The final feature is related to the video format. You can download your video in landscape, portrait, or square format, depending on the platform you intend to use. This flexibility is another great feature of this AI tool, as it allows you to create videos optimized for different platforms. All changes you make will be saved automatically, and you can also adjust the video resolution from this section. After checking all the scenes and making your settings, you can download your video from this section and enjoy using Pictory AI. Now, as promised, I'll play a few voiceover samples. As you can see, there are many options for different types of videos. For example,
sometimes it is better to lose and do the right thing than to win and do the wrong thing.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rates by 80%.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Studies have shown that videos can boost conversion rates by up to 80%. You have a wide variety of filters to help you select the perfect voiceover. Based on my experience creating videos for several YouTube channels using this AI, I can confidently say that it has significantly improved both the quality and speed of my video production. If these factors are important to you, this AI tool is an excellent choice for creating videos. Now that you've seen how easy it is to create videos with Pictory AI, why not give it a try yourself? If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on making content faster and smarter. Drop a comment below with any questions or thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video.